Does common law marriage exist? This is something that is quite often asked by clients when they've separated from their partner of many years. They say, we never formally got married, but we've been together for a long time. I'm their common law wife or their common law husband. And they think this may give them a greater claim against their financial assets. Unfortunately, unless you are married, the financial claims that you can make against a former partner are very limited. You can of course claim child maintenance, and in some cases you can make a claim for the provision of a property for you and the child until your child becomes an adult. But this is essentially only a provision of a house. It doesn't give the house to you, and when your child becomes an adult, you are essentially homeless. So in a traditional scenario where the woman doesn't work and the man does, and the woman's looked after the children, she may not have contributed to any of the assets that they have. The house may be in the man's sole name, and she would walk away after 20 odd years with nothing. What if I have assets and I'm living with someone? I'm worried if our relationship ends that they may be able to make a claim on them. In that scenario, although as the law stands at the moment, there are limited claims that they can make, it's always better to try and make sure that this matter is dealt with sensibly whilst you're together, rather than in an acrimonious situation if the relationship ends. In these scenarios, we often recommend a cohabitation agreement, which would detail precisely what would happen to both your assets if the relationship ended, and if sadly the relationship does end, at least then you'll know how to divide the assets in a way that is something that you're both happy with.